Make 24 karat gold YouTube play button. Hello my friends. Today I'm going to make a mini YouTube play button made of 24 karat gold from gold recovery and electronic scrap and e-waste. Creator awards, more commonly known as play buttons, act as a reward for content creators hitting a chosen number of subscribers as being recognized by YouTube. These are distinct from the YouTube Awards, which were intended to recognize the best quality videos. The play buttons are based on a channel's subscriber count, but are awarded at the sole discretion of YouTube. Each channel is reviewed before an award is issued, to ensure the channel follows the YouTube's community guidelines. When a verified YouTuber reaches a specific milestone and is deemed eligible for a YouTube Creator Award, they are awarded a relatively flat trophy in a metal casing with glass paneling and a YouTube play button symbol. As well as featuring the creator channel's names embossed on it, the trophies are of different sizes. Each button and plaque set gets progressively bigger the more subscribers the channel gets, as well as featuring the creator channel name embossed on it. The trophies are of different sizes. Each button and plaque gets progressively bigger the more subscribers the channel gets. At the moment, there are 5 different play button tiers that you can get. Type 1, the silver play button, at 100,000 subscribers, made out of 92% nickel, 5% carbon and 2.5% zinc, with traces of other metals. Type 2, the gold play button, at 1 million subscribers, made out of gold-plated brass. Type 3, the diamond play button, at 10 million subscribers, made out of silver-plated metal, inserted with large piece of colourless crystal. This award is in the shape of a play button triangle, excluding the metal casing. Type 4, the custom play button at 50 million subscribers. Type 5, the red diamond play button at 100 million subscribers, made out of silver-plated metal inset with a large piece of dark red crystal. It looks beautiful, but it's a bit small. If looking to get the actual size, it may take up to 2 kilograms of gold. I hope someday I will get the YouTube Gold Play button. I hope you like our videos. Please apply for membership and share our videos to cheer. Thank you very much.